Hello, and welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore the process of creating professional invoices. Head over to Wepik's website and explore the Invoices landing page. Take your time to find the template that aligns with your brand and business needs. Once you've found the ideal template, go ahead and click on it to open it in Wepik's intuitive online editor. Here, you can customize every element of your invoice to reflect your brand identity. Easily change colors and incorporate your business logo. As for the text, why don't you try the AI writer? Just give some simple instructions, and the AI will do its magic. Now, let's discuss why having an attractive invoice is crucial. Beyond aesthetics, a professionally designed invoice leaves a lasting impression on clients, enhancing your brand image and showcasing attention to detail. When designing your invoice, focus on a clean layout, choose a readable font, and incorporate consistent brand colors. This attention to detail builds trust with your clients. And there you have it. Creating professional invoices with Wepik's editor is efficient and effective. Remember, a well-designed invoice not only facilitates faster payments but also leaves a positive impression on your clients. With the customization complete, it's time to download the invoice. For optimal compatibility, always select the PDF format. That's Wepik, design made easy for your business.